Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a very quick recipe on how to make red velvet cake, chocolate cake, or basically any kind of cake in under 10 minutes. Yes. And the best part of this is that you really don't need an oven. You don't need an oven. So this recipe is useful when you have a guest and you really don't have anything to entertain them with. You can just go into your kitchen and whip up this quick chocolate cake in under 10 minutes. Or if you have girls' night out and there's basically nothing in the house, to entertain your guest with as well. So this is a very quick recipe that's gonna wow your guests. Like they'll be wondering, did you have cake in your fridge before? So yes, let's get right into it.
So you get a bowl to mix all your dry ingredients. So I'm starting with 1 cup of flour, half cup of cocoa powder. Bear in mind I'm using unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda. You don't want to forget your salt and half cup of granulated sugar. So you mix all these dry ingredients together till they're well incorporated. Once this is done, you set it aside. Then in another bowl, you mix all your wet ingredients. So I'm starting with 1 teaspoon of red food color, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, and 2 tablespoons of butter, melted butter of course. So yes, don't forget your cup of milk. So I'm using just 1 cup of milk for this, and then you mix all the ingredients together. Then you know what to do. So now it's time to have this matrimonial ceremony. Yeah, this is where you mix your wet ingredients and your dry ingredients together. See, it's time for matchmaking. So you pour in your wet ingredients gradually basically, and yeah, just enjoy the love making. So now it's time to dish. It's time to see the results of the love making. Okay, never mind, don't mind me. So yes, I'm using a plastic bowl here. You don't have to. If you don't want to use a plastic, you can use a regular, microwave safe bowl. I'm using plastic here just to show you guys you can make do with whatever you have at home, but please don't use aluminum inside your microwave. So plastic and microwave safe bowl is just perfect. So I just lined my plastic bowl with a baking sheet, or is it parchment paper, whichever way you call it, whichever one you call it. So yeah, and for your microwave safe bowl, a mug, it does not need a baking sheet, yeah, because it's safe to put food in that compared to putting food in plastic. You know what I mean? So yes, guys, don't forget to leave the head space. See this head space, like head space. So just in case your cake rises, it doesn't create a mess in your microwave. That's the essence of leaving the head space. So these babies are heading to the microwave. Just put a paper towel on your microwave dish, just in case it rises, it doesn't create too much mess in your microwave. So you set your timer to 3 minutes. Boom, and the countdown begins. 2, 1, 0. Our cake is ready, guys. Believe it or not, this is ready. So basically this took about 10 minutes to make your cake, both preparation and baking, cooking, whatever you call it. The cake is ready. Enjoy.
Whoa,